If you are looking for a house that stands out from the rest in a great neighborhood and school district, not to mention with potential to add an ADU and a pool, then this house is it. So as you walk in, you will fall in love with the light and bright, open concept floor plan with fireplace, which is perfect for those cozy nights. The chef in your house will absolutely love cooking this brand new kitchen with this beautiful view of the backyard. So all the rooms in this house are really good size, including this main bedroom with its own bathroom. This backyard is ideal for the kids to run around, and as I mentioned earlier, there's a room to add a pool for ADU, and the best part is they will get their own access. So if you have fallen in love with this property, please give me a call today for a private showing.